Hello everybody out there. Welcome to the new home of Nkanelo Gingirikani. Here we are on Gingirikani Media. Mandla Gingirikani is my name. Yes, welcome everybody. Get seated, get settled. It's about to get down. Yo, guys, I'm listening to Haka Matorokisi. Haka. You know what's happening? It's trending. It's a song by Makhadzi. Yo, guys, I can't deal. The energy, the drama that's happening out there in Limpopo, everyone is like going all out for Haka Matorokisi. Before we go far, I just want to thank for those who were following me from Mandla Gingirikani YouTube channel. And then, because now we moved to this new channel. This is our brand new home. I really like it this side. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the subscribe button. Also click the clock so that you don't miss anything, whatever we're going to post here on Nkanelo Gingirikani. How is it, guys? Do you like this new home? Tell me. Talk to me. But yeah, for those who are following me, you know that we've been following Xitsonga art, Xitsonga culture, or Xitsonga music, or Xitsonga entertainment. But now we're going global. We're going to talk about anything that is art, music, culture. We are going to talk about it here on Nkanelo Gingirikani. So just get ready. And they say what? Charity begins at home. I'm from Limpopo in South Africa. It's a province in the north. I think it's better to start from home. And then there's a Limpopo, a female artist who sings in Chivenda. Chivenda is a South African language. I can't speak Chivenda, but at home, actually, everyone speaks Chivenda. I'm the only person who can speak Chivenda. I should be very ashamed of myself. So I just thought maybe, because I'm listening to Makhadzi, Haka Matorokisi, I thought maybe, Haka Matorokisi, it's a hit, guys, isn't it a hit, huh? Tell me. Yeah, the song has been trending, and guys, Limpopo is technically the ship in terms of setting the trend for summer, and then the videos are crazy. I've never seen. Even Julius Malema is not left behind. School children are not left behind on this one. I think it's a hit. I think Haka Matorokisi is a hit. I just don't know why she released a song right now. Huh? Maybe it was leaked. Who knows? Maybe it was leaked. Makhadzi featuring DJ Call Me is a very good song. I really like it. I'm just not sure if it's a South African song in a sense that it covers everybody. Because for me, it sounds like more of a Limpopo song. It has a regional effect to it, We know what happened last year. Limpopo also led with Idibala from King Monada, and then it went global. It went viral. Everybody from all over the world. I mean, I've seen videos of his Idibala. People in Japan, China, Russia, everywhere playing Idibali. So this time, I'm going to see those kind of videos trending and people also doing Haka Matorokisi. Tell me, because I know she's good. She's confident. She can dance. She can perform. She's a performer. Is Limpopo going to set that trend, I was saying that summer is here with this hit from Makhadzi. Let's get to know who Makhadzi is, Apparently, Makhadzi was born in Mashamba village, or the area of Mashamba. I just don't know. I'm not familiar with that area in Limpopo. Mashamba, she's from Mashamba. And then a brief history that she celebrated a birthday, I think, on the 30th of June this year. 2019, I think she celebrated her 23rd birthday. So she's 23 years old. I heard a bit of news that she was a bit naughty in high school. She was even fired from school for being naughty. But apparently she was very musical. She was very artistic, you know. She used to love dancing in class, making noise, you know. She used to do those things. So I'm really not surprised to see her trending and making music like this. So I think big up to her for following her dream. Because sometimes when you're not good with education in terms of schooling or being an academic, you know, you can also follow your career or your talent. You can follow your dreams, and I think she's doing that, and I think I love it. I love it. So what do you think of the song, guys? Is it a hit? Is it a South African hit, or is it a regional hit? Because for me, I feel like it has more of a regional hit. Like for people from Limpopo will love her, people from Venda will love her because she sings in Chivenda. And I think everyone, whoever's from Limpopo would definitely love the song. I love the song too, but I'm not sure if the song was mastered because it sounds a little bit, you know, there's moments to it. That's why I feel like the song it hasn't reached the level for me to be a South African song, in a sense that everyone from Thohoyandou, Venda, if you talk about Eastern Cape, Durban, you know, Mpumalanga, everyone is dancing to the song. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure if it has that effect of being an African song, you know, an African hit, you know. I feel like it has a lot of elements of Bolo house music, you know. If you follow the music of King Monada, you understand what I'm talking about. It has that feel of following the Bolo music house trend, you know, like more of a Limpopo kind of feel, you know, people who speak the language, you know, Bapedi, Chivenda, Batsonga. Oh, I know they love that kind of music. If you go to Tzaneen, that kind of music is big, you know. So with Makhadzi now going and do this kind of music, what's gonna happen to that Bolo kind of genre of music, you know? I'm not sure. Is it Bolo or Bolo? Hey, you know, Bolo, and if you put an M in front of a B, it sounds something else. Is it fair to say that the song was inspired by the game that we used to play as children, you know? You know that game where we used to play and then we say children playing a train game, yeah? I think the song has a lot of elements from that game, and that's why many people will follow it because it's catchy, you know. It's something they're familiar with, it's something they know and they understand. But the funny thing is that Limpopo doesn't have a rail track, guys. Do we have a railway track in Limpopo? I'm not sure. And then that's why, like, when we say Haka Matorokisi, Haka, where is the train going? Because Limpopo does not really have a railway track, eh? Do we have a railway track from Joburg to Tzaneen? Do we have a railway track from Joburg to Giyani? I think there is a railway track from Joburg to Venda, like Thohoyandou. But I'm not sure if there's a railway track from Joburg to Giyani, from Joburg to Malamlele. Huh? I'm not sure if there's a railway track there. So, this is very interesting. If the Limpopo song talk about railway and Matorokisi as in coaches, you know, if you're in a train. So it's a song that is there and it's trending. People love it. People are dancing to it. But I just don't know if the song is gonna make it to the top when the other DJs release their songs. You know, we have Prince KB, we have DJ Tira also. Actually, Makhadzi is making a song with DJ Tira. So, and apparently it's a banger. But I think Limpopo people are just going overboard with this Haka Matorokisi thing, guys. What do you think? Because I've seen something with music. These days, music, it's either the song is good or there's a video that accompanies the song that makes the song to be good. You know, if you remember, Idibala trended because of the videos of people falling, you know. Now, this one is trending because of people doing the train game, Haka Matorokisi, you know. So, you know, in South Africa, there's that thing of voting for a song that's going to lead us to the new year. I'm not sure if Haka Matorokisi is going to land, I'm not sure if it's going to land. I'm not sure because the other guys are still coming. You know, Busi Iswa, you know, the people are still coming with songs, you know. King Monada hasn't released himself. So, I'm not sure. I'm still waiting to see what's going to happen. But Haka Matorokisi for now is trending. And I think Makhadzi, she did well. She's doing very well. We know her as a Chivenda music artist, you know, but she is now gonna go national. I think, especially working with people like DJ Tira, and also she's done a song with Shoma Josie as well. And she's done songs with King Monada, you know, so many things. So I just hope she go there and represent us just like Java has done, Shoma Josie, Nasty, aka Casper Vest. There's so many people that have gone and represent us, even King Monada himself, you know. So she's won so many awards for the Chivenda Music Awards. So she's not just a one-hit wonder, guys. She's been making those songs, especially songs with catchy lyrics and, you know, lyrics or lyrics. What do which one is it? She likes making those kind of songs with catchy lyrics. And I'm not surprised when she did this song of Haka Matorokisi because everyone is following her. Everyone is Haka Matorokisi, Haka. But the question is it gonna make it to the top of the list when we vote for the song that's gonna lead us to the new year? Tell me what you think of the song. Whether is it a hit? Please make a comment down below and then voice out your views. We are not gonna censor them as long as we're gonna be swearing at anybody, right? You're not going to be rude to anybody, you know, because we're trying to keep it very peaceful and family-like, you know. So, thank you very much, guys, for joining me on Nkanelo Gingirikani. My name is Mandla Gingirikani. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. Please also click the bell there so you don't miss anything when it comes to these kind of things, because we're going to be bringing you more of these kind of shows. We'll talk about music. So, yeah, guys, moving forward on Nkanelo Gingirikani, not sure what's going to happen, but I hope to host people here. So those who want to promote their songs, promote their music, they're free to contact me and then we can talk about it, you know, see how it can go, because we've tried to up the level a bit with the background, with the lights, you know. I got new lights, and thanks for those who have subscribed to my channel, Mandla Gingirikani there. That channel is going to produce more videos, you know, very funny stuff, entertaining stuff, awareness stuff. So please go out there and subscribe as well to Mandla Gingirikani channel. I also have a sports channel which is Nkanelo Sport, guys. Also go there and subscribe to it. For those who like sport, you can go out there and check it out. Nkanelo Sport is a channel you can also follow. I'm also doing stuff that side as well. But then on Mandla Gingirikani channel, I'm also there, very strong. Here on Gingirikani Media, I'm here very strong. So be with me wherever I go, because I want to be there wherever you go. My name is Mandla Gingirikani. Haka Mashabani kanu ekesdort. Kutsana gilinyora. Tinganiwe. Gomekokoto. Hey, dinadora ekesdort. Salute. Me got it to men.